how to find your page settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your page settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find here settings and not settings, this one, pages, and then click select your page. Now all you need to do is just here in the top corner you will find this icon, click on it, and as you see here you will find page settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.